In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your own fonts in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a custom typeface into your project and apply it to your text, so your design looks consistent with your brand or creative vision. First, open a project in Adobe Express, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Add a text box to the canvas so you have something to style. You can do this by selecting text from the left-hand toolbar and choosing a basic text option. Type a few words, your title or a sample line, so you can preview the font change as you go. With your text selected, look to the text panel in the editor. Find the Fonts drop-down, which lists all the available typefaces. Open that menu, then scroll to locate the option labeled Upload. This is your gateway for adding a font file from your computer. A pop-up will appear. Click. Add fonts to browse to your font file, then confirm the upload. Most custom fonts come in common formats like OTF or TTF. If your font downloaded as a zip, make sure you unzip it first so you can select the actual font files. If you have multiple styles like regular, bold, and italic, upload each file now so you can switch weights later without losing consistency. It's also a good idea to double-check that you have the right to use the font in your project, especially for commercial designs. Once the upload completes, return to the Fonts drop-down. You should see a new section labeled something like Uploaded Fonts. That's where your custom typeface lives. Click the font name to apply it to the text box you selected earlier. If it doesn't show up immediately, try closing and reopening the font list to refresh it, or ensure you have the correct text layer selected on the canvas. Take a moment to test different sizes and weights, and adjust spacing to make your typography look polished. If you uploaded several styles, switching between them should be seamless. Keep in mind that custom fonts are ideal for maintaining brand identity across multiple projects, so once you've added them, you can reuse them anytime in Adobe Express. To recap, you opened or created a design, added a text box, accessed the Fonts drop-down in the text panel, chose Upload, added your font files, and then applied your uploaded font from the list. That's all it takes to personalize your typography in Adobe Express.